Guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to quickly use this opportunity to show you this very cute box of things I got from this vendor. I'll leave her name on the screen. There was this very nice red wine and yeah, alcohol as per usual. This very cute bag. This is like my go-to bag now. I carry it almost everywhere. I even took it to the village. And then these perplex heels. I love these shoes because they go well with anything and everything. Like, it's just amazing. Then she's also sent this moped pad. You guys know how much I love moped. Then there was a mini perfume bottle, a nice wristwatch. Wristwatch wasn't my size initially, but I got it fixed. And then she also sent this diffuser. So the diffuser is very strong. Like, the scent is very strong. This is what it looks like. And then it also came with those 3 sticks that diffusers usually come in.
Hey guys, so we're going to buy suya this night. This is the night before I'm going home, because I'm going home tomorrow. So I'm going to buy suya with my cousins. I'm actually going to buy shawarma as well. So yeah.
So this is where we went to buy the suya from. There's a lot of Hausa guys there that sell the suya. Some of them have been here since I was a child, and I kid you not, like, I remember talking with one and he said, because he was speaking Igbo, and I was like, your Igbo is good though, and then he said that, oh, he has been in the East for over 20 years. I was like, wow. So this particular guy, well, we bought chicken suya from him, but he put onions inside, and I don't eat onions. I don't like onions. Like, I don't like it raw, cooked. I just don't like it. I rather blend it and not see it. So I had to tell him to take the onions out, because I don't know, I just feel like it gives you bad breath. Like, I can't. So guys, we left the East around 6 o'clock in the morning, which was pretty late, but this is us on the Onitsha bridge, or rather the head bridge, like I showed in my first vlog. And I went with my brother. We went in a Sienna. So if you know, you know. Like, I didn't go back with my family. They had to stay back. Well, I had to go back to Lagos because of work, and I had to take some of my stuff. I'm going to explain more of the gist later, but yeah, it was a very quick trip. Like, we're back in Lagos by what time? By 12. It was that fast. So when I came back home, I had to like legit do a lot of unpacking and a lot of decluttering. Like, I have a ton of shit that I needed to throw out, and this is everything. Like, I was just wondering, because I don't stay in this room alone. I share this room with my sister. So I was just wondering that where are all these things going to enter? But surprisingly, like, I was able to fit most of them into my wardrobe, and the ones that I didn't need, I took them out. At first, like, it was really overwhelming because I had to go back to my auntie's house to get my stuff that same day that I came back to Lagos, and it was just very stressful. Like, this thing that you're seeing, this footage that you're seeing right now, I was filming it in the night, like I think around 9 or 10 p.m. So I just tried to do my best to arrange, because I didn't want to leave everything. I had already left it. I was really stressed out, but I did my arrangements, make sure that everything was looking good. Some of all these things I probably still give them out, and some of them I will probably still use them. But yeah, it was I don't even know how I gathered the strength to do this, because it was so stressful. Like, I can't wait to do a live update video just so that you guys can understand the kind of stress I went through these past few days. But I had to just do it. At this point, they had even taken light in the night. Like, what was saving me was because my flash from my phone was turned on, and I didn't see the point of going to bed when I had not finished doing this thing. Like, I don't like when I start doing something and I stop halfway. I have to finish it before I continue. So I was trying really hard to make sure that all the stuff I need, all the stuff that I use often, will be in front, and that's basically what I was doing here. It wasn't easy. I was trying to see how I could also make some clothes to fit on this particular place, like this particular board, but it just wasn't working out. So I was just like, let me just put all my toiletries here, and some of them I eventually moved them to my small buckets, because I use my small bucket to put some of my toiletries, like my toothpaste, my toothbrush, my soap, and my sponge, and all those things. So I have this small I don't know what to call it, like a container where I usually keep stuff like stationery, because you know, I have younger ones now. Sometimes, like, they need all these things. So this is me, like, decluttering all these things you see me bringing out. I'm about to throw them away. Like, I was so angry that day. I was like, what am I doing with this much stuff? And I didn't even think about, I just closed my eyes and I put everything in the trash, because I just was not having it. And this is not even all. Like, this is just a fraction of everything I had to do. I still had a load of junk to to unpack. Like, it was just so stressful, but thankfully I was able to finish doing all these ones that night. And then next few days some things came up, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to talk about it in my life update video, but like, this is like, I think 2 or 3 days after I had to start arranging my clothes. So my clothes that I don't wear often, or clothes that I can't wear at home, I'm not going to go into too much details. I'm sure my friends understand what I'm talking about. I just put them in a box, and because I didn't want my dresser to be crowded, this is just me folding and doing all these expensive things. Like, I'm not even joking, this thing was so stressful. Like, my legs were legit hurting me because I was standing, doing a lot of walking around, and I was just so tired, and I wasn't even done. Like, this is just half of it. Like, I wasn't even done. So eventually I moved on to my corporate clothing. You guys know I went to Covenant, so we used to wear a lot of corporate clothing, and I just hanged all of them because I usually wear them to work. Like, these are some of my work clothes, and they come in handy really well. So I just took my time to fold. I usually put two shirts on a hanger, and yeah, that's just how I do it sometimes, because my hangers are actually not a lot, and I have a lot of clothes. Like, I didn't realize that I had this amount of clothes until I did this unpacking and decluttering. Like, I had to legit put all the ones that I wasn't using, all the ones that I wasn't wearing anymore, all the ones I wanted to give out into a box, and that box was full. Like, I had that many clothes. So I just took my time. I was listening to a lot of music. That was the only thing that kept me through this whole thing. And I'm eventually going to do a breakdown of why I'm moving back to my parents' house. And, well, let me not say moving back, why I'm going back, not like I moved out. So yeah, this is me folding the clothes I was going to put in my dresser. These are my home clothes. I usually wear shorts when I'm at home because they're very comfortable and convenient, you know. And I was just trying to make sure that I would maximize my space, because I actually don't have a lot of space, and I have to consider the fact that I share this room with somebody. So yeah. So when I was done, I just put all my bags in the last dresser, and this is not everything, I had to hang some of them because some of them were really big. These are just the small ones. I could manage to fit them inside. So this is what my wardrobe looks like. I had to hang my work bags there as well because they couldn't fit. And I don't like when things are like out. I like when all my stuff is inside. I don't like seeing too many things out. You get? So when I was done, I started to arrange my shoes. I had a lot of shoes to remove and to give out. I've already sorted those out. I just didn't get that on camera. But this is me arranging my shoes. I didn't have a lot of space here as well, so I had to put some of them on top of each other just to make sure that I maximized my space. I have a lot of heels, although like I don't wear them often, but I think I'm going to try my best to start wearing them often. And yeah, so when I was done, I just moved over to arranging my bed, and I removed my old bed sheets, put a new one, so at least like the whole place could look clean and all. And I'm very good when it comes to laying bed. Like, my sister taught me how to lay in bed. Like, she used to beat me when I was younger if there will be any line on the bed after I'm done laying it. So that kind of stuck with me. And I'm not trying to promote any form of domestic violence or anything like that, too, please. Before all these woke people now will come and find my video and come and start charging. So yeah, this is basically the end. Not the end, but this is how I did my decluttering and my arrangement. And I'm also going to show you guys some of the toiletries that I got, because after I was done, I went to the supermarket to get my toiletries. So guys, when I stopped at the supermarket yesterday, I was able to get a couple of things. I didn't get a lot of things, so I got this body spray, and this is actually the first time I'm seeing this a body spray because I know the perfume and I had it one time, but then it fell down and it broke, and I literally almost cried when that happened. Then I also got this Dr. Teal's body wash. I just wanted to try it. It looked very, very interesting. And you know, I have the shampoo, which I have not tried by the way, but I thought it looked very, very cute, so I wanted to try it and know how it feels. I saw one, this is shea butter and almond oil. I saw one in eucalyptus and something, but I was like, let me get this one first, and then if I don't like it, then I'll try that one. So this is my legendary extract soap. I don't know, I just got it because I just like to have one around, and yeah, just for the sake of having it. And then I bought wipes like this. I don't even understand what type of wipes this is, but I got it because I actually do need wipes. Like my wipes are almost done. Then I got some shaving sticks as well, but I only use shaving stick for my legs. And yeah, then I also got this Arm & Hammer deodorant. I didn't see the other one, that my other type, I didn't see it there, and I wasn't sure, like I didn't even have energy to go and start looking for it, so I just said, I beg, let me just take this one. But this one looks pretty good. I think I like this one. So yeah, that's everything, and yeah, we've come to the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.